WZZM television.
Peter out the storage lessons outside on the weather deck tonight. And George, you have a busy night ahead of you tracking the potential of these severe storms. Talk to us about what we know.
Well, yeah, I think the strongest part of the whole scenario is going to happen between about 9 and midnight tonight. First starting at the lakeshore and then heading inland. We'll probably be doing a lot of Facebook Lives here this evening, unless we're breaking into potential severe weather event unfolds. Let's take a look at the 13 weather ball for your Sunday. It'll be cooler and less humid weather in view, and that's why it's blue, but blinking bright for strong to severe thunderstorms early tonight. And this view sponsored by Tullymore Golf Resort.
Currently, it's 86 in our area.
Hit 90 here in Grand Rapids, as expected. A little bit less warm at the lakeshore in the mid-80s there. That 90 matched our forecast high with a bullseye here on your Saturday, 8 days in a row within 3 degrees of the forecast high. Now, if you want to finish up your weekend by doing a little grilling, our grillcast calling for morning showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm off to the east, well over toward Lansing and Battle Creek by noon, and then skies will become sunny toward evening with temperatures back up to around 80. That's cooler than today. Let's show you where the storms are right now. They developed up in South Dakota and moved across Minnesota last night, and they're now located just north of Madison, Wisconsin. They issued the severe thunderstorm watch unusually early because there's the Chicago to Mackinac boat race, and those boats are out in the middle of the lake right now, and hopefully they'll be safe. But right now, it is just becoming cloudy as the high clouds from those storms are coming on in. It'll be a couple, 3 hours before they do eventually get here. This is our hour-by-hour model. This is 6 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock. You can see just already beginning to push into the Milwaukee area. So not quite here along the lakeshore, but between 8 and 10, crossing the lake. This is when the strongest storms will be, right before 10 o'clock at the lakeshore, according to the models. And then they'll rapidly race to the east. This is by midnight. Most of the storms, the leading edge of the stronger part of the storms already east of Lansing. There'll be another round of some mainly just downpours coming in after that, so it will be rumbly and grumbly all night, and these storms have the potential to put down a lot of rain. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning with most of the activity to the south and east of Grand Rapids, and then by noon we'll start to see some clearing take place. Lots of sunshine in the second half of the day compared to the first half. Now, in terms of the potential for rainfall, the models struggle with exactly how much rain is going to fall, but you'll notice on general about 1.5 to 2.5 inches of rain is likely overnight and during the day tomorrow up until about the noon hour. This is kind of an approximation of how much rain could fall, so this would be very beneficial.
2 inches for us.
It will probably come all within a very short period of time, between about 2 and 3 hours, so it might be a little bit of urban flooding, especially around those storm drains, so clean those out. Any showers or thunderstorms will be over. I think they'll be over before sunrise. In Ludington and Hart, you'll make a lot of sunshine in the afternoon and upper 70s. Around 82 to 81 in Muskegon and Holland. Most of your showers and storms will depart by noon. You may get a pre-dawn shower, but then skies will be clearing during the afternoon, upper 70s to around 80. And the showers and storms may linger on a little bit later on into the early part of the afternoon. It'll be breezy inland. Highs tomorrow in the low and mid-80s. 13 on your side forecast. It'll be breezy inland and less humid by late afternoon. Next week will be a little bit cooler than average, upper 70s and low 80s. We've scaled back the rain for Wednesday. Now it'll just be mostly cloudy and humid. By next weekend, end of next weekend and the following week, we'll be in the mid-80s once again.
George, thank you. Another Van Gogh exhibit